The most important part of any video is the audio. Even if it's a 4K video, no one will actually enjoy the video if the audio itself is distorted. And for the decent quality of audio, one needs a decent mic. But the question becomes which mic to use. Being a creator, even I had this doubt of selecting the proper mic, because there are tons of brands available in the market having tons of different varieties with their own special USPs which they have to offer. But again, there are some drawbacks of them either. Then we keep on searching for the perfect best of all mic and usually end up with the options that are priced really high. And this question mainly arises when you are a beginner. So today I'll be showing you this. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have with me this device. This is a Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic. This is a omnidirectional condenser mic, meaning it receives signals from all the directions. Actually, this is not an unboxing because I have purchased this mic like few weeks back. I even have done 2 or 3 commercial shoots with this and I'm really impressed with the quality this guy has to offer. So let's get started. So this is how the packing looks like. I'll just take out the mic. Yeah, so this is the 6.35mm adapter, and this bag which you see inside, it had the lapel clip. Yeah, it had this lapel clip and this wind foam, which I have already installed on the mic. And this is the control center, or you can call the power hub. So this has got 2 options. The first one is the camera option, the second one is the smartphone and off. So the thing is, whenever I'm turning this to off position, that is the off and the smartphone, what I have to do is I have to just connect the 3.5mm jack into the phone, and the mic will use the power from the phone battery. And whenever I am turning this on the camera mode like this, so this will now use the inbuilt battery. So this is the inbuilt battery. So on the camera mode it will use the inbuilt battery. You just don't have to forget to turn this to camera mode whenever you are recording from a camera. And this is the 20 feet long cable. That is a 6 meter long cable. This is all that we get in the box. Now I'll just show you the difference in the audio with this microphone and without this microphone. So the audio you are hearing right now is straight away from the camera microphone. So this is the audio from the lavalier mic that I am using right now. So you can clearly notice the difference of the internal microphone from the camera as well as this lavalier microphone which I am using right now. So as you can see, I am on the terrace of my building, and this is the audio straight away from the camera microphone. And this is the audio from the lavalier mic which I have connected. So this is the quality of noise cancellation this little guy has to offer. Whereas this is the audio straight from the camera microphone. So this one's a great buy for the people who have just came into vlogging or the YouTube business, especially when they are having a tight budget. So I purchased this for 829 rupees, but the original price of this device is 1995. The only thing which I did not like about this product is the noise clipping that occurs whenever you are recording something, but that too can be rectified at the time of post processing. And for the people who love to shoot outdoors, this one's a great option because it already comes with a 20 feet long cable and because of the noise cancellation feature that it has. And this is also compatible with your smartphone, your DSLRs, your camcorders, audio recorders as well as your PC. So under 1995, even if I consider the original price of the device, this one's the best buy. So that's all with this Boya. If you have enjoyed the video, please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you guys.